Hey guys, so you're here with Netra. It's been a really long time since I've done a video, and it's just because a lot has gone on in the past couple years. Not bad, but just a lot of new things, and I kind of got off the wagon filming videos and uploading to YouTube. I kind of got bored with crafting as well. I kind of got bored with the products that were coming out. I felt like I was always buying the same thing and everything started to look the same. And so I ended up getting rid of a lot of my crafting supplies. I barely have like anything left. But I did get some newer things, and I do make a lot of my own products. So I still do craft here and there. But I just wanted to do an update video, let you guys know that I'm okay. I do hope to return to YouTube soon. I do have some ideas. I want to incorporate a little more like lifestyle content, more like, you know, like my day-to-day, more meal prep, family dinners that I like to cook, even though I don't like to cook often. There's some meals that I just like to cook because they're easy and fun to make. I like to bake, so I want to incorporate more like baking videos and stuff like that. Just a lot more life home style type videos and some crafting in there, because like I said, I do craft a little bit, and you guys know that I'm obsessed with planner stuff, so definitely gonna be showing more of that. So I just wanted to say hello. Let me know what you guys have been doing in the comments below. I would love to chat back and forth. And I hope to see you on my return to YouTube. And thanks for watching this update video. Bye.